Welcome to the mix, and on the mix is Marcia. Now she's saying that you can do things on your own. You can do all things now. Yeah. She's reminding us to not to burn the bridge once we cross it, because we may need to cross over again. And she's given some, beautiful advice. So go ahead and catch the video, and remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. Have a wonderful morning.
And clearly don't have no understanding and the capability to think clearly, because some of them are dunce with the mental in slavery of black mental slavery, who are not been emancipated yet. So we're just thinking away. We're thinking is not right. And it's not the fact that you guys are young on a whole. You should learn from your own experience. You don't have to go to school to be great. It is an enhancement. But this world can teach us so much on our own. We just need to survive. But we don't want that. We are one-sided people. Well, I'm not that type of girl. I will never be. I'm different. I will always be different. I work with the years as it goes by. I don't have the time to think about the 80s and the 90s and 2001 and 2002. That was behind me. I roll with the flow. Whatever it is, I'm rolling. I'm learning every day, because the promised land never stops. It is ever changing. It is ever revolving. So I have to go with the flow. I'm not stupid. I'm not stuck in my mother's days. Our mother didn't know no better. They never get no experience. They never get a chance to reach a promised land. They were like man slaves, some of them. Submissive to them partner. Beat and abused mentally and physically, some of them. Cooking and cleaning and have babies. Don't go out and work and uneducated and get no education. From them come from school and them left the all-age school. What they do, go into the field, breed up, and take care of the man. Well, we don't live in this world anymore. But I realize some of you don't want to sit down in that same mentality in our mother footstep. We have to rise above that. Yes, I may not have no education, but I know damn fool. May not have the big education, but me alright. So I'm saying, we want to live in this world thinking about the 80s and 90s. We don't want to live somebody to live for you at all times. Living a phone own a world. Oh, I'm conservative. Oh, some must act conservative. Me, I want no blood. You can't come tell people this is a social media world. I want to turn it into the hypocrisy that is happening right now. It's supposed to be a friend. It's supposed to be a place to meet and greet people from all different parts of the world as a PayPal, a pen pal, or whatever they want to call it. And articulate and see different things. But we turn it into a battlefield against each other. We turn it into a place for us to bring our dirty laundries. To embarrass and insult people, which is the same thing. To threaten people and to bully people and whatever it is. Instead of exploring it and see what we can get out of it when we've been here for a long time. And now that we realize that money is dashing away, everybody wants to come down like said, Marcia finna earn the bread. Only me alone will earn bread. When some of them just a come. Them just plant them seed in here. Even though your seed might have grown successfully sometime, it doesn't mean that the crop is eatable. Because many trees grows beautiful, bountiful seeds. And it's worth nothing. It can't even eat it. It will poison you. A lot of trees out there. They grow things on it. You don't even know what it is. You don't even know what it is. It cannot be eaten. So now every tree where you see out there grow, that means say, it grow good fruit. It's a waste matter. You understand? So don't be so judgmental. Because you see, 2 apple on somebody's tree, and one of that tree have 20 apple. A time going to come when that 2 apple will grow into 40, and the 20 will grow to 5, and nothing at all. Don't underestimate the power of Jesus Christ, because he's a man that he changed impossible things to possible things. So be careful of the bridges that in a burn, because you don't need it for crossover. Don't dash on a piece of thick before you cross over, because you don't need to cross right back over. As Jamaican have